Everything is divided into 4 parts here. The Genie main unit, its charging station, the RTK system, and some additional tools including the user manual. We have right here the mounting pole for the RTK. First, assemble them by aligning the clip. And once the clip is in a place, it will be perfectly secure. Then you have to tighten the RTK onto the top of the pole like this. There we go. Then it's time for your power cable. So I'm gonna plug it in. Then don't forget about anti-losing cap. Tighten it properly. And tighten the RTK tripod fixing stake. This one, like this. Now when it's properly tightened, it's ready for installation. Let's find a place. The key to setting up the RTK and charging station is finding the right spot. We provide a 10-meter power extension cable, so we should look for a place within 10 meters of your home's power outlet. Now, we can choose this spot without getting too close to the edge. From there, we follow 3 key rules. The area should be open with no walls or buildings within 3 meters. The RTK needs a clear sky view of at least 120 degrees above without any obstructions. There should be no trees or roof blocking the view above the RTK. This spot is great. Just stick it in. Step down firmly with your foot on to push the stake into the soil. Next, let's install the charging station. There are 2 cables at the back of the charging station. The 2-pin cable connects the power extension cable to the adapter, while the 3-pin cable connects to the RTK to supply power to it. Now, let's power them on. The power adapter should be kept in a place where it won't get wet. Once the charging station is powered on, and the RTK will search for satellite signals, the status indicator will blink. Once the indicator turns solid green, it means the satellite connection is successful and the signal is strong. At this point, the location can be confirmed as the final installation spot. Insert the fixing screws into the holes and tighten them with the hex wrench. We can now place Genie on the charging station. Once the charging station is powered on, Genie will automatically turn on. Wait 1 to 3 minutes and the GPS signal will appear on Genie's display with solid GPS signal. It means that Genie, RTK, and satellites are all connected. Once the signal is stable, it's time for us to organize and secure the cable on the ground. Use these nails to fix it up on the ground so Genie's blade wouldn't be able to cut it off. Now all the setup work is complete. Ensure the charging station is not placed on a sloped lawn. Avoid placing it on uneven or rugged terrain. Do not install it right up against the lawn's edge. Position it in parallel to the edge instead. Make sure the area in front of the charging station is flat and free of any obstacles. If the RTK signal light is red or flashing, or the GPS icon on Genie is flashing, it means the signal is weak. You should follow the principle of having an open area with no obstructions above. Relocating the RTK and charging station to a new spot will resolve this issue.